Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send XRP from Revolut to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, transferring assets like XRP has become easier, but it's still crucial to do it safely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be able to move your XRP seamlessly, potentially saving on fees and maximizing your investments. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Revolut account with XRP in it and a Gemini account ready to receive. Always double-check that your apps are updated to the latest 2025 versions for any new security features or interface changes. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone or computer. Navigate to the Crypto section, where you'll see your XRP balance. Next, select XRP from your holdings and choose the Send or Withdraw option. This is where things get specific. Enter the exact wallet address from your Gemini account. Pro tip: Gemini provides a unique deposit address for XRP, so head over to the Gemini app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the XRP address. Paste it carefully into Revolut to avoid any errors, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, specify the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, in 2025, network fees for XRP on the XRP ledger are usually low, but Revolut might add their own fees, so check that before confirming. Once you're happy with the details, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Revolut PIN or biometrics. You'll get a confirmation screen. Keep an eye on it. After initiating the transfer, switch to your Gemini app to monitor the incoming XRP. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you'll see it reflected in your Gemini balance. Always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer for extra peace of mind. And that's it, you've successfully sent XRP from Revolut to Gemini. Remember, crypto involves risks like market volatility and potential hacks, so stay vigilant with two-factor authentication. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.